Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the maths class. In today's class, we are going to discuss the practice questions of chapter 1 from your workbook, page number 11. Right? So, all of you refer your workbook, page number 11. And there are total 15 questions are there. From that 15 questions, some questions I will give you as a homework. And the rest of the questions I will discuss it here. Okay. So, what is the question number 1? Before starting, please take out your maths copy to note it down the questions which we are going to discuss it here. Alright? Question number 1. Name the center, radii, diameter, chords and semicircles in the given circle. One circle is given, the chord is drawn there, diameter is drawn, radius is also drawn. You have to write down the names. So, answer 1. The question is asking about to write down the names of center, radius, chord and diameter. Center. Center is O. Next is radii. How many radii are there? Just see. There are 3 radii. What are they? OP, OQ and OR. Okay. Next is diameter. Which one is diameter? Diameter is RQ, longest chord of a circle. Next is chords. How many chords are there in the given circle? 2. What are they? RQ. RQ is the diameter and TS. So these are the 2 chords. Next is semicircle. Which one is semicircle? Semicircle is RU. So these are the things you have to write in answer number 1. Next come to question number 2. What is that? Soham at a pizza of 50 centimeter. What is its radius? So here you have to find out the radius. Diameter is given, you have to find out its radius. So diameter of a pizza, how much? Diameter of a pizza is equal to 50 centimeter. So now you have to find out its radius. What is radius? Radius is the half of a diameter. So radius D divided by 2. D denotes for diameter. Diameter is 50 divided by 2 equal to 25 cm. So radius of a pizza is equal to 50 cm. Right? Sorry, not 50 cm, it's not 25 cm. So 50 is the diameter and 25 is the radius. That means half of 50 is 25 centimeter. So radius of a pizza is 25 centimeter. Next is question number 3. If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, what is its diameter? Now in question number 2, diameter is given. They have asked about to find out the radius. Now question number 3, radius is given. Now here you have to find out what? Diameter. So question number 3, treat as a homework. Question number 4, draw a tessellation using the shape. One shape is given. From that shape you have to make one tessellation. Question number 4 is also your homework. Number 5, form a tessellation using any 2 shapes. As I have already discussed with you that tessellations can be made up of any 3 regular polygons that are hexagon, square and triangle. So by using any 2 shapes you form one tessellation. Alright. So question number 3, 4, 5 is your homework. Come to question number 6. If the radius of a plate is 7 centimeter, what is its diameter? Now, question number 7. Question number 7. Radius of a plate is given. Sorry, it's a 6. Radius of a plate is equal to 7 cm. What is its diameter? Diameter of a plate. How to find out? Twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. So R into 2. R is how much? R stands for radius. 7 into 2 cm equal to 14 cm. So diameter of a plate is 14 centimeter. Okay, diameter is twice of radius. It's a 14 centimeter. Next, question number 7. Draw and name a circle of radius 2 centimeter. In this question, you have to draw a circle for radius 2 centimeter. That is your homework. Come to question number 8. If the diameter of a circle is 30 centimeter, what is its radius? So already this type of questions I have already discussed with you, same as question number 2. So 8 is also your homework. Now we will discuss number 9. Number 9 is related to the topic reflection. The letter W and its mirror image look the same. Find 3 English letters that look the same as their mirror image. That means find 3 English alphabets which their mirror image is same, like a W. More are there, we have to write only 3 here. What will be that 3? So this is answer number 9. Answer 9. We will write A, one letter, then H, then I. Just see here, A, mirror image, line of reflection. H, line of reflection. I. So these are the 3 letters that look the same as their mirror image. Alright, so these things you have to do. Next is 10. How many lines of symmetry can we draw to a square? Square is a polygon. All sides are equal. So question is asking how many lines of symmetry can we draw to a square? So answer 10. Just see here how to do. Square. How many lines of symmetry can you draw to a square? You can draw vertically 1, next horizontally, next diagonally. So how many lines of symmetry you can draw? Right there we can draw 4 lines of symmetry in a square. Okay, so this is the answer of 10. Next, 11. Name a cuboidal object that can tessellate. As already I have discussed with you tessellation, you have to write one cuboidal object. Cuboidal object, you know, example of cuboid. So what we can write here? We can write so brick. Brick we can tessellate. Okay, so brick is a cuboidal object that can tessellate. So answer number 11 is brick. Question number 12. Can you draw a line of symmetry through the palm of your hand? Palm of your hand. Can you draw the line of symmetry? Tell me, children. Can you draw? When you draw the line of symmetry, is it equal both sides? No. So the answer is no. We cannot draw a line of symmetry through the palm of our hand. Alright. So answer 12 is no. Next, come to question number 13. Draw the mirror image of 8. Here you have to draw the mirror image of number 8. Answer 13. Let's see how to do. You have to draw the mirror image of 8. This is 8. Draw the mirror image. Line of reflection. So you have to do like this, right? Next, question number 14. The diameter of a cycle tire is 62 centimeter. What is its radius? As I have already discussed, same like this question number 14. So you do it by your own. You know how to find out its diameter and radius. So question number 14 is your homework. Question number 15. Do concentric circle have different radii? So concentric circle means from the same center we can draw different circles, right? So from the same center we can draw different circles. So the question is asking, do concentric circle have different radii? The answer is yes. Concentric circles have different radii, right? From the same center we can draw, but radius will be different. So the last answer number 15 is yes. Concentric circles have different radii. Circle have different radii. So these are the questions we have discussed. So whatever questions I have given you homework, please note it down, and this classwork also what we have discussed. I'll give you a click of all the answers of question number 1 to 15. Kindly you note it down. Alright. So in the next class we are going to start our next chapter, that is pattern. Thank you.